Dear students, we are in MSET Mathematics. Okay, we are in Theory of Equations. This is third class. In this class, we will try to solve question number 11 to 15. Okay, 5 questions. Okay, see, question number 11 has been given in MSET 2011. The value of A for which the equation x cube plus ax plus 1 equal to 0 and x to the power of 4 plus ax square plus 1 equal to 0 have a common root is. See, common root is having both equations and they are asking A value. Why? Because A is having here also and here also. Okay. See how to find and all such type of questions to observe carefully. One similarity may be there. See, x cube ax plus 1 is there here, x to the power of 4 ax square plus 1 is there. That means x if you take common, x cube plus ax plus 1 is going to become. Okay? That is the logic here. That you have to observe. Okay. See what I am doing. Let first equation I am writing, you see, x cube plus ax plus 1 equal to 0 or else x cube plus ax is equal to minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Then second equation also you write x to the power of 4 plus ax square plus 1 equal to 0. X if I take common, x cube plus ax plus 1. Okay? X to the power of 4 plus ax square plus 1 is outside like you think. Okay, now what I am doing, x I will take, but x cube plus ax is minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Okay? That means you see minus x plus 1 equal to 0 or else x is equal to 1. Whenever x is equal to 1, you come back again here. 1 cube plus a into 1 plus 1 equal to 0. That means see 1 plus a plus 1 equal to 0. That means a is equal to minus 2. Understand? Okay. Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 12, MSET 2018 question. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of cubic equation, that cubic equation is x cube plus px square plus px plus r equal to 0. Then, what is alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube, like they are asking. See, alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this equation like he only mentioned, examiner. Then you substitute alpha one time, beta one time, gamma one time. Why? Because alpha cube, beta cube, gamma cube we want. See what I am doing. Observe carefully. Okay. Every time I am writing, you see, x cube plus px square plus qx plus r equal to 0 or else alpha cube plus p alpha square plus q alpha plus r equal to 0. You take this as equation number 1. Okay. Then equation number 2, what is beta? Beta cube plus p beta square plus q beta plus r equal to 0. This you take as equation number 2. Equation number 3 also with gamma. Gamma cube plus p gamma square plus q gamma plus r equal to 0. This you take as equation number 3. Then wait. Again go back. A0, A1, A2, A3, S1, S2, S3 also you find. Okay? Let us find. See, A0 is equal to 1, A1 is equal to P, A2 is equal to Q, A3 is equal to R. Okay? S1 is equal to minus A1 by A0, S2 is equal to A2 by A0, S3 is equal to minus A3 by A0. Then you write S1, S2, S3 also. See, S1 is equal to minus A1 minus P, that's all, minus P. S2 is equal to A2 by A0. See, A0 is 1, you need not put a denominator 1, but A2 positive only Q. S3 is equal to minus R. Okay, wait. Now, these also we can write S1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus p. Okay, this rather than taking equation you box it or else you take equation. That is not a wrong. See, alpha beta, write down. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to q. This also you take equation or box. Alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus r. Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus r. Well, because that is S3, S2, S1. Okay, now you go back again. You see what I am doing now. 1 plus 2 plus 3 I am adding. Why? Because see why I am adding. You see simply alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube means unless you add these three equations you are not going to get it. Okay. See what I am writing. 1 plus 2 plus 3. All three equations I am adding. That is why I have written equation number 1, 2, 3 and all. This you box it simply. Okay. See what I am doing. Alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube. These are required for you, and remaining also you see plus p alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Okay. P plus q alpha plus beta plus gamma. Q alpha, q beta, q gamma. Q alpha, q beta, q gamma. Plus 3r directly. R plus r plus r I am not writing. 3r is equal to 0. Is it correct? Definitely correct. Okay. Now, wait. You require this one. But you see alpha plus beta plus gamma value you are having minus p. Then you substitute. And alpha square, beta square, gamma square you wait. Okay. You wait. What will happen and all we will see. Alpha square, beta square, gamma square. Let us see. Alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square, we will do it. Shall I do it? Alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square. You see, alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square is equal to p square. But you see, alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2 alpha 2a plus 2b plus 2c, 2 alpha beta plus 2 beta gamma plus 2 gamma alpha. Okay, see, this is equal to p square. This also you take equation or whatever you think. Okay, now wait. Now come back here. This you take as equation number 4. Okay, now this value, these values you can substitute to yearly, clearly. Okay, you see alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube plus p into alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to, you see, alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha is cube, 2q, p square minus 2q, p square minus 2q. Okay, okay, why? Because alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to p square minus 2q. Okay, okay. Now go plus q into, okay, alpha plus beta plus gamma minus p plus 3r. 3r you don't do anything, you keep it like this only. Okay, now you send p also inside. Or else shall I send all that side? See what I am doing now. Alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube is equal to, see, minus pq, if that goes that side, plus pq minus 3r, okay, plus 3r minus 3r, and this also you see p cube will be there, but minus it is going to become minus p cube. Why? Because here plus p cube means that side minus p cube, but here minus 2p cube is going to become plus p cube. Plus 2pq. See, plus 2pq plus pq plus 3pq. That is equal to 3pq minus 3r minus, wait. Yes, 3pq minus 3r minus p cube minus p cube. See, this is your answer. Okay, take this, we will go for next question. Okay, see question number 13. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation x cube minus ax square plus bx minus c, okay, then sigma, this is sigma, observe carefully, this is sigma. Sigma alpha square into beta plus gamma is equal to how much, like they are asking. Answers also they have given. First of all, see what is this and all I will write afterwards. First you take S1, S2, S3 and all. Shall I write it directly? Okay, directly I am writing, you see. S1 is equal to, see, minus of minus a plus a by 1, that means plus a only will come. But this is what? This is alpha plus beta plus gamma. Why? Because alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, put gamma. S2 also you write S2. S2 is how much? B by 1, that means B, that's all, B. But what is this? This is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, okay? And S3 also you find in the equation, okay? Minus, that means minus C is there, plus C it is going to become C. What is this C? Alpha beta gamma, okay? So now you see S1 is equal to, S1, that means alpha beta gamma is equal to A, or else I will box like this. Why? Because these we require, okay? S1, S2, S3 we don't bother, but these we require. Okay, now go back again. See, this I am writing now. How I am converting, you observe carefully. How I am writing, what is this meaning? Sigma alpha square into beta plus gamma means, what is this? See, alpha square into beta plus gamma plus beta square into gamma plus alpha plus gamma square into alpha plus beta. Okay, this we require. Sigma means, now I have removed sigma. Alpha square beta square gamma alpha. See, order you follow. Alpha beta gamma alpha beta. Okay, now come back again. You send inside. That is equal to alpha square beta plus alpha square gamma plus beta square gamma plus beta square alpha plus gamma square alpha plus gamma square beta. Okay, now you see alpha beta is there. Then what I am doing, I am taking alpha beta as common. See how we are changing and how we are converting this, observe carefully. That is equal to, see, alpha beta, if I take common, shall I take alpha plus beta? Alpha square beta, beta square alpha square beta square alpha. Okay, these two are over. Plus, now beta gamma also you take. Beta gamma, if I take beta plus gamma, see, beta square gamma, gamma square beta. Beta square gamma, gamma square beta. Okay, now these two are over. Now again you see alpha beta, beta gamma, then gamma alpha, gamma plus alpha, gamma square alpha, gamma square. Okay, now you see okay, now wait here. Alpha plus beta is equal to gamma minus A minus gamma. Beta plus gamma is equal to A minus alpha. Gamma plus alpha is equal to A minus beta. Okay, that you write first. You see what I am writing? Alpha beta you write like this only. Okay, now you see alpha plus beta is equal to A minus gamma. A minus gamma plus beta gamma you write like this only. Beta plus gamma is equal to A minus alpha plus gamma alpha is equal to A minus beta. Is it okay? Yes. Now again you what we can say, send inside. If I send inside alpha beta into A alpha beta minus alpha beta gamma plus a beta gamma minus alpha beta gamma plus a alpha gamma minus alpha beta gamma. You see, alpha beta gamma 3 times has come, minus 3 times alpha beta gamma minus 3c. Understand? Shall I jump one step? Okay. And also a I am taking common. You see, a I am taking a. If I take common, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Okay, this. But minus these 3 times are there. 3 times of alpha beta gamma. Is it okay or not? You tell me. Okay. Okay. Now you see, alpha beta gamma, gamma alpha means b. That is equal to a into b. This is b, a into b minus 3 times alpha beta gamma value is c. That means c, ab minus 3c is your answer. This is your answer. Understand? Let us go for next question. Okay, see 14th question. This is a little bit bigger question, and we should have patience and we have to rub the board also. Okay, see the sum of the fourth powers of the roots of the equation x cube plus x plus 1 equal to 0 is like they are asking. See, answer will come to MSET 2008 question. But see, what is the fourth power of the roots of the equation means? Fourth powers of the roots of the equation. See, like this you see. Alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 plus gamma to the power of 4 is equal to how much, like they are asking. Sum of the fourth powers of the roots. Sum of the fourth powers of the roots. Okay, this they are asking. See, step by step we will proceed. Why? Because see, this is a bigger question. A little bit patience we should have, or else we are not going to get the answer. Okay, see, even though they have given fourth power like, but the equation is simpler only. Okay, and one more thing, x square term is not there. That you have to observe carefully. Okay. See, x square term is not there means what you are going to do? See, s1 is equal to minus a1 by, minus a1 means what here? X square term is not there. That means s1 is 0. That is very important. You understand now? You see what I am writing. Or else once again I will write this equation. You see, x cube plus 0x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Like that first you take. Why? Because here 0 is there. Like that you should know, or else you are going to do the mistakes. Okay. You see, S1 means what? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to a minus a1 by 1. Okay, but here 0. 0 means simply you take 0. This rather than equation you take box. S1. S2. S2 little bit bigger you have to write. Write down then. S2 little bit bigger you have to write. Write down. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to a2 by a1. See, a1 is 1, a2 is 1. 1, 1, 1. This also you box. Okay? 1 by 1. Now go for S3. S3 is 1 by 1, 1 only. But what is this? Alpha into beta into gamma is equal to 1. Okay? These three, what is the data you require to proceed further. Okay, now you tell me how you are going to get this alpha to the power of 4, beta to the power of 4, gamma to the power of 4 directly? Directly you cannot get. What you have to do, first you square this. Okay, write down. Alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square is equal to, see, even though this is 0, opposite side 0, but you expand this. Why? Because after coming again we will square it. What will happen? Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2 times of alpha beta plus beta alpha plus gamma alpha. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. Okay? See, this is equal to 0, we know. Okay? How to write? See what I am writing. This also you are having 1. This is 1. That means you see alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2 into 1. Okay? Is equal to 0. Okay, 2 into 1 is equal to 0. That means what you can write? Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to minus 2. Shall I write like this? Definitely I can write. Okay, because this outside 0 is there, plus 2, that is going to become 1. 1 into 2, 2. This is going to become minus 2. Okay, now what I am doing? Again squaring this. Then only I will get alpha to the power of 4. Like, okay. See, this side automatically, this is minus 2 whole square means plus 4 only it is going to become. You see, alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square whole square is equal to 4. Okay, minus 2 square is 4. But now you expand this. See, alpha to the power of 4 plus a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 plus 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. Okay. Alpha square beta square plus beta square gamma square plus gamma square alpha square is equal to 4. Okay. See, after squaring this will come. You wait, you observe carefully. Here, okay, this have squared, it has come. But here also alpha beta square, beta gamma alpha square is there. See here, alpha beta is there. If you square from here also, that equation you will get. Meanwhile, what I am doing, I am taking this as equation number 1. Okay. Meanwhile, I am taking this as equation number 1, and I will proceed further. You see, I am squaring this again. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha whole square is equal to 1. Why? Because 1 square. But this you expand. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc. These two. Beta gamma alpha. Plus 2ca gamma alpha beta is equal to 1. Is it okay? First you see. Okay. Okay. But you see, observe carefully here. See, alpha beta gamma is there. Okay. See what I am doing now. See, alpha square beta square plus beta square gamma square plus gamma square alpha square plus 2 times of, you see, alpha beta gamma into beta plus alpha beta gamma into, shall I take directly? Why? Because see, alpha beta gamma value is 1. That means see, 1 into beta. Why should I waste time? 1 into beta plus alpha beta gamma into gamma is there. Gamma means again 1 into gamma. Okay, plus alpha beta gamma into alpha is there. That means 1 into alpha. Okay, this is equal to what? 1. Okay, now you see, alpha plus beta plus gamma value is also 0. That means this is going to become 0. That means this value is going to become 1. Again I am writing alpha square beta square plus beta square gamma square plus gamma square alpha square is equal to 1. Why? Because see, this is 0, this is 0, 0 into 0, this is equal to 1. That's all. Okay. Now what you have to do, this value you substitute in this. I am putting one box. This value substitute in equation 1. Why? Because this is 1. Okay, write down there. Then alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 plus gamma to the power of 4 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 4. Or else alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 plus gamma to the power of 4 is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. This 2 goes that side, 4 minus 2, 2. That means answer is plus 2. Okay? Let us go for next question. Okay, see 15th question. MSET 2002 question. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation, cubic equation means 3 only will come. We know x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is equation. See, observe here. First time they are asking alpha to the power of minus 1 plus beta to the power of minus 1 plus gamma to the power of minus 1. How to find this and all we will see. First, what we do, we will get a by b, s1, s2, s3. Okay. See how I am getting x1, x2, x3. See, S1 means alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus A1 by A0. A0 is 1. Minus A1 means minus A, just minus A. That's all. Okay. This you box it. Okay. Now go for alpha beta beta gamma. Write down. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to B by 1. B. Okay, this also you box. Okay, now S3 is alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma is equal to C by 1. C, that's all. Okay, C minus C, sorry, minus C. Forgotten. Here also minus C. C, S1, S3 minus minus will come, but this will come B. Okay, plus. Okay, now you go back again. Here, see how I am writing this question first. Observe carefully. Alpha inverse beta power minus 1 plus gamma power minus 1 is equal to 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. Is it okay? Okay? Now you see alpha beta gamma you take as LCM. Alpha is there, beta gamma. Beta is there, gamma alpha. Gamma is there, alpha beta. Okay, see what is this alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha B. What is alpha into beta into minus C, or else you can write minus B by C. Understand? Okay. We stop this class. We will continue in the next class. Okay. Thank you.